welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another edition of VlogTober. Today we're filming day number 7, which is going into Jackson's room. Now we are not decluttering this boy room anymore because we have decluttered all there is to declutter, and if there is some more clutter, we are going to throw it in the trash. I wish you guys could see what is on the other side of this camera. It's my child imitating his mama, videotaping for VlogTober. So I'm going to let him tell you what we're getting ready to do for VlogTober day number 7. Okay, Jackson, so tell us what we're going to be doing on day number 7.
We are going to be making the... Wait, what are we doing?
Really? Really, though? We're going into your room. Why do you think we're doing that?
To put stuff on the bed.
Because?
Blow up another mattress because...
With your
my aunt and cousin are coming. Cousins are coming.
Yes, y'all, that's my child. So my sister and my niece and nephew will be staying here for a couple of days. If you have watched the vlog since some of the hurricane stuff, they lost everything in the hurricane. The roof of she lived in an apartment that was 2 stories, and the roof fell down into her apartment. So between that and the rain and the mold, I mean, they just lost everything. So they're in transition. They finally did get an apartment, but they cannot move in until the 22nd. So they are going to be staying here for a couple of days. She's been staying with friends, so she's kind of just rotating from place to place. But we want to make sure that it is nice for her and the kids. So we're going to move Jackson into Mom's room for a couple of days, move them into this room, and we're going to blow up a blow-up mattress. So we're just going to change the bedding. We vacuumed the floor, spray some smelly good stuff in there. We've taken care of the bathroom. And so I'm just going to have the kids use Mom's bathroom, and we'll leave this bathroom open for them to use. So that's what we're going to be doing for VlogTober day number 7. Okay, we're going to check the bathroom to make sure all is well in here. Nope, we need to do out this toilet.
What do you mean do out the toilet?
Get the little scrubby thing, you know?
Inside?
Yes, please. And then let me check the tub. Alana scrubbed out the tub, so we should be good. Okay, look here. Something. See around here? Where there's that line and stuff? That needs to be scrubbed out. And then back here, we just need to wipe stuff out. Y'all, Mom, I'm spraying this. Where's my vinegar stuff? Where's my Dawn vinegar stuff? She hears me. Bring a broom. Broom. Fresh, clean towel. No. Okay, so we're bringing in towels and washcloths, and we're putting them where, Alana?
Ma'am.
Where are we putting the towels?
At the end of the bed.
Like how?
Like they do in the hotels.
Like they do in the hotels. Okay, so Mom gave specific instructions about cleaning the bathroom, and of course those specific instructions did not get followed really well. So we're going to do a little spruce up in the bathroom just to include really wiping everything down. We're going to do the mirror. If I were doing the Fly Lady exactly correctly, we wouldn't have to spruce up, but I'm not, so we're sprucing. So what they're going to do is sink, mirror, toilet, tub, empty the trash, and then sweep the floor. Okay, everybody, so we are now finished making preparations, and so I made sure I had to come back in and make sure that everything was mom approved. You know, kids will clean and then it's not necessarily mom approved, so I had to get my life together. So the bathroom is clean, we got the mirror wiped down, here everything is wiped down. I did the toilet because little boys are nasty, that's all I'm saying. Jaxon did the floor, and sister did the baseboards and made sure that we wiped everything up. We did empty all of the trash. We always keep a feminine basket here just in case that there are issues. And then we also cleaned out the tub really well. I just have hard water. I don't know what it is, but it just, sometimes this tub is not getting good. I'm gonna try some 409. Maybe that'll work. I'm not real sure, but I'm gonna try that. And then we just came through, made sure we vacuumed up real good. I'm gonna have the house painted probably next summer because we just have lived-in marks on the walls and it's just not necessary. So we're in Jaxon's room, and what we did was we put the blow-up mattress close to the closet because we just felt like they needed to have, you know, space here because it's 3 of them. Why is this here? Really? Little boys. So we felt like if they had walking space, you know, with 3 people. So the kids will probably sleep here and the mom here, but, you know, however they want to work it out. We left towels and different things. And we also left a little blow up thing just in case the bed sinks a little bit. But that should give everybody a good space. We try to move as much of Jaxon's things as possible because we want, you know, we want them to come here and feel comfortable being here. It's very difficult to be displaced from your home or your, you know, to stay with somebody is a challenge. She just messaged me and said they wouldn't be here till late tonight, which is fine. Whenever they come is fine. We're gonna be here. We just have things we gotta do. And I'll give her a key so she won't have to be dependent upon me whenever I'm coming and going, because my life is busy as well, and her kids have after school activities and stuff as well. So we just wanted to create a hospitable space for a couple of days for them, as long as they're waiting for, you know, their apartment to come through. And praise God that they did get something. There's a whole lot of people in the Tri-County area that are just displaced, no homes, no way to get a home, had to be moved out of whole apartment complexes told people you have 24 to 48 hours to get out. This apartment is no longer livable. So I mean, just thousands of people. It was reported today that in another county, people are living in tents. Just y'all, I mean, I don't think we can, even we, and I include myself in we because my house is standing. We don't grasp the extent of what has happened to people. So we're trying to do our piece and make sure that we can be helpful where we can. So the kids and I are going to go do something else because we have some more filming to do. We are going to be filming day 8 and 9 for you guys in the next little bit. So that's a lot of videos for mom to edit. We're going to go and get it done really quickly. But thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. We do appreciate each and every one of you. We are blessed to have you with us. If you have any questions or comments, leave us you know, something down below. We will answer it as best as we can. Please forgive the hair, but it's like I've been doing stuff all day. So anywho, thank you guys again so much for coming by. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next VlogTober. Bye.